What's happening? What's happening? JB Auto, John Fear, bringing you back with my Full Metal Jacket project. We just about got all the parts, baby. Block, custom head, valve cover, PVL bracket, got the rockers, got my PVL, flywheel, carb. Got to send the gasket out to get made, but this is it actually. That's the custom gasket for my head, 6-bolt. The first 6-bolt cast block. Custom pipe. It's got to get my crank and rod tomorrow. Finish up some clearancing and porting and things of that nature. Yes, sir. The first 6-bolt small block. JB Auto Racing. I will be firing this up probably in the middle of February. I will be going live. It will be on my YouTube. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, please. All my updates and custom engine builds will be on my YouTube page, John Fear Racing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will be bringing you back. Full Metal Jacket, JB Big 3. Detroit's finest. Give me a call. See the number right there. I do all custom engine builds. Doesn't matter what it is, from LS swaps. It don't matter. Call JB Auto. Detroit, Michigan. Thank you.